never been this bored in my life. Yes, I have. Hello guys, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. This might be not the most exciting vlog, but I will try my best to make it as exciting as possible. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting, watching my vlogs, liking, commenting, subscribing. Comment down below what you guys want to see. Do you guys want me to go anywhere? Do you guys want me to do anything? Nothing crazy. I'm not jumping off a plane. No. Maybe some twin vlogs, Adelia and Bobby vlogs, makeup vlogs, hair vlogs, everything put together vlogs. Okay, let's just get into the vlog.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it, you gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full.
2,000 years later.
Hi there. So, who wants to see what Adelia's Friday night looks like? Anybody? You do? Well, it's not the most exciting thing, but it's very relaxing. It's very enjoyable. It's very relaxing. So, yeah, this is Adelia's Friday night. The only great lighting in my kitchen. So it is 5:39 p.m. and I still haven't eaten dinner, so we're gonna make some food and I really don't know what I want for dinner. Do I want to order from Uber Eats or do I want to make something? I'm making something. This is what I'm making. I get this fried rice from Trader Joe's and it's so good. It's the vegetable fried rice. It's literally amazing, and I buy at least like 3 to 4 of these every time I go to Trader Joe's so I don't run out. And then while that's cooking, I am going to make, well, I'm gonna put together the lemon chicken and arugula salad, also from Trader Joe's. So I have this with my rice because the rice just isn't enough to fill me up, so this is good too. I'm gonna eat my dinner, watch my Sex and the City, and I will be right back for more Adelia's Friday night.
A few inches later.
So, guys, like honestly, my weekends are not as exciting as you think they are. I've never been this bored in my life. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Where's my wallet? Oh, I'm holding it. I'm literally stupid. You said it, not me. Tell the people where we're going. We're going to the flea market. What? Where are we going? We're going to the flea market. Yes, we are. Roll the... Huh? Roll the little montage. Roll it!
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah.
Well, I ended up with nothing. I got stuff. Another day, another sleigh. Okay, well now we're gonna go get coffee and that's it for now. Thank you for watching this vlog. Liking, subscribing. That is all I have to say. And until the next vlog, bye.